Hi there, math students. This is Mrs. Anderson, and I'm really excited to have you in my class this quarter. I wanted to just do this really quick video. Please take the time to watch it. These are the tips for being successful in this year's or this quarter's course. So the things that I need you to have. Sometimes when students are doing school on the computer, they forget that they also need some non-computer items, okay? So I would like you to have a notebook. It doesn't have to be fancy. This is not even a spiral notebook. Spiral would probably be better than this, but anything that keeps your papers together. You're going to be taking notes. Yes, notes. You have to write things down, even though you're doing your math class on the computer. So having a notebook that you can flip back and forth between all of these notes is really important. So please have some sort of notebook. You can staple a bunch of pieces of paper together, whatever you want to do, but something dedicated for your math notes is very important. Obviously, pencil so you can erase, but at least writing utensils, and then a calculator. You don't have to actually have a calculator. This is just my phone calculator. One really cool thing, by the way, if you don't know this about your phone calculator, if you turn it to the side, it becomes a scientific calculator. So it's kind of cool. Here's the basic one, and then you can turn it, and this will be helpful for some of the higher level things that we do. It has different buttons and things. You don't have to have a calculator though, because you can find one on the computer. There's, you can just search the internet for calculator, and that'll work too. But we will be using a calculator in this course. Okay, some really important things. I'm going to go to the course really quick and show you. So when you're on your dashboard, obviously yours is going to look a little different than this. This is mine for teaching. I have a bunch of math classes here. But what I really wanted to show you is see this to-do thing over here. You have this on your student dashboard, and it shows you some assignments that are coming up that are due soon. Don't use this. I wish we could just make it go away, but we can't. So don't just click on the assignment that's coming up that's due and then try to do the assignment. If that's how you do your courses, you're going to miss all the teaching part of the courses. This is just the assignment. So it's like walking into a regular classroom and just getting the test without learning all of the material. So please, please, please don't go to the to-do thing. That's just letting you know, hey, here's some things that are due soon that you haven't done yet. Don't work from here, okay? What you want to do is work from your course. So I'm just going to pick this one as an example. It doesn't matter what course I'm showing you right now. It's just about the way it's laid out. So when you get in your course, it should look something like this. Yours might look slightly different from the student view, but you have all of these announcements. The announcements are important, you guys. This is where you figure out how your grade is made up, how to contact me, how you should be pacing yourself, different supports, like what are some other resources you can use. We have a class chat to help out. All of these things are really great. So for example, your course grade information, let me just click on that really quick. It shows you what percent everything is. Like the project is worth 10%. ISAT practice is worth 5. This will be different for every class, so don't look at this one right now and think this is going to match your math class. I'm just giving you an example of where you can find this information, okay? So these are all the announcements. You can find contact information, all of that stuff right there. Okay, as you scroll down, this is where you start the class. You need to start from the very beginning and work through each part. This is the teaching stuff. Okay, I'm just going to pick a random lesson and go in here and show you. Don't start from there. Start from the beginning. I'm just picking one to show you. This is where you'll find all of the information on how to do the assignments, right? The teaching part. Okay, so it's loading. So here they're going to teach you, oh, this is talking about distance. Oh, it's telling you a rule. It's showing you examples. So you're going to read through all of these things. You can click on the vocab words and it will tell you what they mean. These are all great things to write in your notes, you guys. When you get to a blue box or a red box, you should write these things down in your notes. There's often little videos, like right here's a little video you're going to watch. Okay, so you have to go through the learning parts before you do the assignments. Sometimes you'll need to expand things and it'll go through examples with you, but this is what I really wanted you to see. It's so important that you do that, okay? So don't work from the to-do list for sure. Okay, so this is just a really brief overview of what I want you to make sure you know for this math class. So have a notebook, pencils, calculator, And please don't work from the to-do list. Work from the module view where you can see all of the lessons, okay? If you have any questions about this, please email or text me back. Otherwise, also please email and text me back and tell me that you watched this video and you understand what's going on. So either respond to me and say, I understand everything, thanks for the video, or say, I have a question on this, and then ask me your question, okay? I wanna make sure everyone understands how to be successful this quarter in this course. Have a great day.